Unveiling the meaning of milquetoast. Hello, everyone. Today we're going to explore a fascinating phrase in the English language, milquetoast. This term pops up in books, movies, and everyday conversations, but what does it really mean? By the end of this video, you'll understand its meaning and be able to use it confidently in your own English conversations. So, let's dive in. To understand milquetoast, we should start at its origin. This word isn't about breakfast. It's actually a character's name from a comic strip. The character, Casper Milquetoast, was created by H.T. Webster for his cartoon series, The Timid Soul. Casper was the epitome of a submissive and timid person, and his name became synonymous with anyone displaying those characteristics. Interestingly, the spelling, milquetoast, comes from the blending of his last name with the food, milk toast, which is known for being bland, much like the personality of Mr. Milquetoast. The phrase, milquetoast, describes a person who is very timid, submissive, or lacking in courage. It's not a compliment. Instead, it suggests that someone is so mild-mannered and non-confrontational that they may easily be overlooked or dominated in situations. If you describe someone as milquetoast, you're picturing a person who wouldn't say, boo, to a goose. Let's put this word into action. You can say, he's too milquetoast to stand up to the boss, indicating that the person doesn't have the nerve to confront their superior. Or, I thought the debate candidate was rather milquetoast. He didn't challenge his opponent's points. It's a descriptive term that adds flavor to your language, ironically, by describing someone without much flavor at all. When using milquetoast, avoid the common mistake of confusing it with milk toast, the dish. Even though they are related historically, they have different meanings today. Also, remember that milquetoast is an adjective. It's used to describe a person's demeanor, not to name an actual food item or dish. I hope this video has shed light on the unique phrase, milquetoast, and you feel more comfortable using it in your English conversations. This term can add depth to your descriptions of characters or people in your stories. Thank you for watching, and remember, being clear and assertive in your language is never milquetoast. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.